How does Web Configuration Gateway control Daikin air conditioners via the HBS converter? First, we connect HBS converter to Web Configuration Gateway by RS485. Plug in the power, network cable, make sure your computer is on the same network segment as the gateway. Default IP of the gateway is 192.168.1.88. So, we set the computer's IP to 192.168.1.66. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. You can download the configuration software X to view from our website. Unzip the downloaded package. Run x to view.exe directly. Create a new project. Add Daikin HBS driver. Add channel. Add device. Set parameters according to the communication protocol document. Add tags. Upload project. Start monitoring. Check quality stamp. The quality stamp shows good. Good means the gateway and Daikin air conditioner communicate normally. The gateway has read HBS data successfully. Now we set the device ID of the air conditioner on the air conditioner panel. Enter the setting interface. The function code shows 00, which means the communication is normal. The function code shows 01, indicating abnormal communication. Please check the communication line. Let's do some tests.